Simple question. When you travel, is your car electro-sanitized?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So I don't have a new car. And oh, yes. Yeah. So I do have Bluetooth in my car, and I can unfortunately not disable it, but it's unpaired. Um, and when I get a rental car, which I often do, and then we've got toll gates, which works with wireless connections to pick up the toll. So I always take shielding with, and I cover it up in the car.
Yeah.
And I disable all the Bluetooth connections. Yeah. Yeah. And what Nadine is saying is, I don't have to do that anymore, Nadine. My sensitivity has improved. But in the beginning, I literally took the fuse out for the media in the car, because then you really, yeah, you don't have any radio frequency if you remove the fuses. But then certain things may also not work, like your radio. And if you've got a newer car with all the sensors, yeah, a recent problem I have is because if your car is close to where you sleep, it's the same principle. The battery is still connected, so all the sensors still work. The alarm system still works, and that will keep you awake. So what we've been doing is we disconnect the battery to the car. But now I'm getting problems with my car because it's not a new car, but it's not an old car. It still has a computer brain. So and now the battery is giving problems because I disconnected.
Ah,
So yeah, so this is a tall order.